Hello everyone, I am Mohit Jain and I am currently working as a web development and designing intern at the Sparks Foundation. This is the task 6 of the internship, and the aim of the task is to do the automated testing of the website. The objective of the task is to create a test case for the Sparks Foundation website, and the test case must contain a check of at least 5 pages and 10 elements in total. Each element could be, for example, if the logo exists, the navigation bar must appear, or the name on the about page must be correct, etc. Now let us see the coding part for the automated testing. So, so this is the code of the automated testing. I have used the programming language as Python, and IDE that I have used is Pycharm. So firstly, for doing the automated testing, we have to import the modules for Selenium. Then next step is to include the path for the uh, browser. So I have used Microsoft Edge driver over here for the executable path. So I have written webdriver.h and executable path, and wherever is my executable file, I have pasted over here. Then we write the website link for checking the various type of test cases. So I have included the Sparks Foundation website. Now we will see the test cases for the title. So the first test case is the title. The second test case is the finding the logo of the website. The third test case is to check if the navigation bar is present or not. The fourth test case is to check the home button. The fifth test case is to see the about us page, whether it is present or not. The sixth test case is to check the policy page. The seventh test case is to check the programs page. The eighth test case is to check the contact us page and verify the details for the same. So the ninth test case is the links page, and the last test case is to check the form and check all the details which are entered correctly or not. So let's see the output for the automated testing. So all the test cases were cleared for the automated testing. Now I would like to thank the Sparks Foundation for providing me the opportunity. And so with this, I was able to complete the sixth task of the internship. Thank you.